Right. Hey everybody, so we are going to be looking at Purdue OWL. So this is for the secondary website. This is a very, very helpful website. This is something I have used a lot personally. There's just so much to it. So really, if you go, you go in and you click on that. If you just Google it and you click on that initial site, it's going to take you to this page, and something that I really like, and we won't look too much into it because it's technically another website, but if you look down here in that kind of second paragraph, it says please visit the Writing Lab site. And so this is great because you learn a lot of things, but this is a lot of just kind of reading and doing it on your own. But you can actually go to the Writing Lab site and you can get tutoring schedules. There's Writing Lab hours. They'll help you with ESL. So it's very helpful, but we won't look too much into that. So let's just start going through and looking at all this stuff. So if you go let's go to general writing. We'll start there. So this is, and I won't go through every single tab, but this is a good little summary right here, and I think every single one of these will do it. So this is just basically like kind of a overview of how to write and what kind of writing you can do. So you have the writing process, explains it. Academic writing, explains it. Common writing assignment, explains it. Mechanics, so then they've got other links that take you to exercises for spelling, for exercises for numbering, exercises for sentence structure, sentence style. So it's all there. Grammar, there's another secondary website to that. Punctuation, visual rhetoric, undergraduate applications, graduate school applications, personal correspondence, community engaged writing. You file index, general writing facts, and writing center directory. So, well, the writing center directory is just so you can, if you're not finding what you're looking for, this will take you to that. So disregard that. So yeah, that's general writing. So that's really cool. That really just covers everything. The reason this website's so cool is because whenever it comes to writing, I know that it's on this website. If I don't know something, I know it's going to be here, and I know I can find it here. And there's just so many resources here. So let's go to research and citation. I've used this one a lot for research papers. So again, this page is going to teach you how to conduct research, teach you how to use research. It's going to go over kind of the three main ones. I used a lot of MLA, so this is what I've used, but APA is also a very common one. So it will teach you how to use the APA style, teach you how to use MLA style, teach you how to use Chicago Manual style. They do have the AMA style, but that's a medical thing, and my students would probably never use this. Honestly, unless my students were writing a research paper, which they very well could. I could see seniors doing that. Honestly, probably what they would use the most, and if I can get back to it, they would use the most is this page right here. And I could easily make lessons around this. I can say, all right, we're going to just go through every single one of these, and this can be a lesson for each day, each week, whatever it can be. I can easily make lessons around this stuff because, at least for me personally, making a lesson is the easy part, but knowing what to make the lesson around is really what's difficult. But anyway, so yeah, that's really cool. And you go over here to teaching and tutoring. So this is going to be a lot of, so this is a little different. So this is for teachers, so writing instructors. So this is, again, so even when I'm talking about it, they have it there. They even have lessons for instructors. They teach you how to write letters. Hold on. So if you're writing an instructor, I'm sorry, I read that wrong. If you're writing to an instructor, if you're writing a letter of recommendation, if you're writing tutors, hold on. Okay. So I think this is a mixture. Writing instructors, so this can be for instructors. Writing tutors, this can be for tutors. There's teaching resources. They even have a little thing on preventing plagiarism, and then they've got a thing on translingual writing. I mean, these are things that I may never use. I could honestly use translingual writing depending on the school that I'm in. So, but still, like, it's there. That's really what's so cool about this website. Subject-specific writing. So this is going to be good for my students because I feel like a question I'm going to get a lot is, when will I ever use this? Well, here is a whole list of when you will use it. If you are in the professional, if you're in business, technical writing, if you are writing books, writing literature, if you are writing in social sciences, so psychology or sociology, that kind of research, writing research. There's even writing in engineering. Creative writing kind of goes back with writing literature, but writing novels, healthcare writing, so kind of for doctors, I would assume. Journalism writing, I think that's something specific. The SURF program, I think that's something specific to Purdue, but then they also go to writing and art history. But really, I mean, that can be applied to writing and history in general. I mean, it really does just cover everything. So let's go, and then job search writing. So if you want to talk about even more applicable is if you're just looking for a job. So teaching how to make a video resume, and then resumes and job search letters, and like how you prepare an application. I mean, there is just so many things here. And then the last one is ESL. So in this whole little page is just for English as a second language learners. And that is, and then they even have a link down here to take you to a page specific for that. So, I mean, this writing lab is great, but it sends you to so many more things. I mean, you could spend years and years and years on this thing, and you would still find something new to do. There's just so much on here. So really, really cool website. I mean, the reason I like it is that I think this is a good foundational website. It's not going to have a lot of super cool assignments. There's not going to be games. There's not going to be stuff like that. So I would not say that you only use this website, but many other websites that are talking about like games or stuff like that, or giving you lesson plans and yada yada yada. They're really good and they're really cool, but they're not foundational. They're not, okay, this is the one place you can go and go, all right, I know that if I go here, I'm going to get everything. Everything I need to know related to writing is going to be here, and I don't have to worry about it. Where you go to some other websites, they're not going to have everything. They're not going to address everything because they can't. That's too much for that kind of website. But I really like this website. Really suggest it. So super cool website. All right, thanks everybody.